When was the last time you stretched your entire body on purpose? Not the little side bend you do when you yawn. Not the shoulder roll you half-heartedly do while waiting for your coffee to brew. I mean a real stretch. A head to toe, feel every inch of your body. Wow, I needed that kind of stretch. If you're like most people, it's probably been way too long. And I get it. We're busy. We sit all day. We work long hours. But what if I told you there's a simple, powerful, total body stretch routine you can do anywhere? No equipment, no yoga mat, no excuses. Today, I'm going to take you through a 15-minute full body stretching routine you can do in your living room, hotel room, at the park, or even behind your desk. But first, let me tell you why I started stretching again, and how it completely changed my body, my energy, and my mind. 1. The wake-up call. It started with a dull ache in my lower back. Then it spread. Tight hips, stiff neck, sore shoulders. You know that feeling when you feel 30 years older than your real age? One morning I bent down to tie my shoe and nearly fell over. Not because I was out of shape, but because I was tight. Like a rubber band left in the sun tight. That's when I realized something. I was training hard, eating well, but I was ignoring mobility, and my body was screaming for help. So I started stretching, just 15 minutes a day. No fancy yoga moves, no gym memberships, just basic movements done consistently. And in 2 weeks, I felt like a new person. Better posture, no more stiffness. Even my sleep improved. Stretching became my secret weapon, and now it can be yours. 2. Why full body stretching matters. You might be thinking, isn't stretching just for athletes or yoga people? Absolutely not. Here's what stretching does for everybody. A. Improves posture. We're all hunched over screens. Stretching reverses that damage and aligns your spine. B. Boosts flexibility. This helps with everything from walking upstairs to picking up your kids without straining your back. C. Increases circulation. Better blood flow equals more energy, quicker recovery, and less soreness. D. Reduces stress. Stretching activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and relax mode. E. Helps prevent injury. Tight muscles equals more risk of pulling something during workouts or everyday movement. And the best part? You don't need to be flexible to start. You just need to start. 3. The stretching routine overview. Here's how today's session will go. We'll move through 5 zones of the body. 1. Neck and shoulders. 2. Upper back and arms. 3. Core and spine. 4. Hips and glutes. 5. Hamstrings, quads, and calves. Each movement will take about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll hold, breathe, sink deeper, and by the end, your body will feel lighter, taller, and looser. Let's get started. 4. Follow along total body stretch routine. Neck and shoulders, 2 minutes. Sit or stand tall. Drop right ear to right shoulder. Hold 30 seconds. Gently roll your chin to chest. Then to the left shoulder. Hold 30 seconds. Shoulder rolls. Forward 10 times, backwards 10 times. Arms across chest stretch. Each arm 30 seconds. Tip: drop your shoulders down. Don't scrunch them up. Breathe into the tension. Upper back and arms, 2 minutes. Interlace fingers, Push palms forward and round upper back. Cat stretch seated. Overhead reach. Reach arms up, lean right, hold for 30 seconds, then lean left and hold again for 30 seconds. Tricep stretch. One hand behind your back. Press elbow gently with the other hand. 30 seconds each. You'll feel it between your shoulder blades, in your lats, and even under your arms. Core and spine, 3 minutes. Seated twist. Cross one leg over the other. Twist gently to the side. 30 seconds each side. Cat-cow on hands and knees. Arch and round your spine. 10 times, slowly. Child's pose. Hold 1 minute. Knees wide, arms forward, forehead down. Why this matters? Your spine is your lifeline. Keep it mobile, and your whole body functions better. Hips and glutes, 3 minutes. Figure 4 stretch. Lie on your back. Cross ankle over opposite knee. Pull in gently. 1 minute each leg. Seated forward fold with soles of feet together. Butterfly stretch. Hold for 1 minute. Most of us store tension in our hips. This is where you let it go. Legs, hamstrings, quads, and calves, 3 minutes. Standing hamstring stretch. 1 foot out, heel on the ground. Lean into it. 1 minute per leg. Standing quad stretch. Grab your ankle behind you. Keep your knees together. 30 seconds each. Calf stretch against the wall or on a step. 30 seconds each leg. Don't rush. Flexibility takes time and breath. 5. Cool down and final breath. Now just stand for a moment. Feel your body. Roll your shoulders. Twist gently. Notice the difference from just 10 minutes ago. This isn't just about muscles. It's about creating space in your body and in your mind. This is your reset button. You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy gear. You don't even need a full hour. You just need 15 minutes. Some space, your breath, and a body willing to move. Do this routine 3 to 4 times a week and you'll start to notice fewer aches, better posture, less stress, and more ease in everyday movement. That said, thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please share it with a friend and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest content. Stretch often, move gently,